Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashionista File and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you different ways to create a prayer room in your house or a prayer space in your homes. Having your own prayer room where you can go to pray and meditate can be a spiritual sanctuary for a religious person. Your prayer room should reflect both your faith and your own spirituality. When you are designing your prayer room, make it comfortable and functional, but be careful not to clutter it or put things in that will distract from its purpose. In this video, you can see different ideas to design or decorate your prayer room. It's best to not to overcrowd a prayer room, so stick to necessities only. Consider how many people will use the room at once. If you have a family or prayer group that will be meeting, have enough seating to accommodate them. The color of your walls of your prayer room really set the mood of the room. Consider whether you prefer vibrant color that you will find uplifting and energizing, or soft or natural tones to create a more peaceful, calm atmosphere. You can also use carpet to make it more comfortable to pray in the prayer room. Use different prayer mat for prayer. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more captivating content. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.